Digestate, as a co-product of anaerobic digestion, is one of the key elements in the ALG-AD project for its use as a nutrient culture substrate for microalgae. To obtain digestate, organic matter is introduced into an anaerobic digester. This organic matter can be livestock manure, crop waste, or agri-food waste, known as fresh biomass. This biomass consists mainly of water and contains organic matter with sugars, lipids and proteins, and mineral matter such as nitrogen or phosphate. Several groups of anaerobic bacteria act on the biomass in turn, digesting it and mineralising the fertilising compounds. Around 60% of the organic matter is degraded into biogas during this process, while the remaining 40%, together with water and dissolved minerals, form a residual raw material called digestate. A centrifugal expulsion technique separates the solids from the raw digestate, creating a dry solid and a residual liquid. This is known as phase separation and enables the recovery of a liquid nitrogen fertilizer to feed plants and a phosphorus-rich solid organic amendment to enrich the soil. Whether it comes in a raw, solid or liquid form, digestate can be used as a fertilizer on agricultural land, but only under certain conditions. Firstly, the suitability of the soil for spreading. This is determined by the hydromorphy, depth, slope and drainage capacity of the soil. Secondly, the distance from third parties, watercourses and bathing areas. Other criteria include the technical composition of the digestate concerned, because not all digestates are the same. These criteria are set out in a land spreading plan which must be monitored and updated. Further constraints apply if the land in question is located in a nitrate-vulnerable zone, where the quantity of nitrogen that can be returned to the soil is restricted due to existing significant water pollution that endangers the quality of aquatic environments in the short term. Added to seasonal restrictions, these regulations limit the use of digestate, thus hampering the growth of anaerobic digestion in Europe, despite its overall positive impact on the environment. Other uses for digestate therefore need to be explored. This is one of the aims of the ALG-AD project, which is studying the potential for growing selected microalgae on different types of digestate at 3 pilot sites. The Belgian pilot site is focusing on 100% plant-based digestate. The site in Brittany, France, is researching digestate derived from pig manure, while the British pilot is focusing production waste from the dairy products factory and food waste from local businesses. The objective of these applications is to integrate digestate into a circular economy for the production of animal feed.